It's getting in my shoes.
I don't believe it. The torch! Get to the torch, quickly!
이거 이렇게 가는 건가?
Calm down. It's all right. They can't reach us.
Tonight is making them come out.
We'll be all right if we stay away from them.
어떡하라는 거야?
We have to get out of here.
미쳤다.
There's some fire up there.
Hurry! Come on, faster!
아,
Climb up. I'll help you.
Yes.
That was close. That mud again. We'll never get through.
어,
Good Lord.
Are they really all dead?
They've been slaughtered. By the Inquisition, probably.
I'm going to be sick.
토할 것 같아. 꽉 찼고 이쪽으로는 못 가고 일로 가야 된대.
Let's go.
Yes.
왜 이런 무서운 게임을 골라왔어요? 제가 이런 게임을 좋아해요.
Come on. Here we go again.
아, 이리 오면 안 되는 거였나봐. 불 꺼지겠다. 됐다, 됐다. 뭐야, 어떡하라고.
Help me push.
아, 끌고 가라고.
Come on. Nearly there.
Amicia, why did they kill the pigs?
제가
To contain the
다 안
rats
주워
here.
먹고 왔나요? 나 열심히 잘 주워 먹은 것 같은데.
Very heavy. I
Don't talk. Push.
말하지 말고 밀래.
We did it.
못 가잖아.
We made it.
hello, the Randios.
Shh. You go.
But
What if it's not the Rentiers? Huh? Did you think of that?
sorry.
여긴 마구간 같은 거 같은데. 이건 남아 돌고.
Empty.
The horse.
The rats must have been here.
Poor thing.
우리보다 먼저 왔나 본데, 쥐떼들이? 아, 깔끔하게 손절. 더 이상 길이 없네. 손질?
I'll go first.
All right.
아, 손질. 예, 구멍으로도 충분히 들어올 수 있겠구만.
Those bags look heavy. Rotten grain.
You're
Must
still
be to
alive.
feed the pig.
I'm sorry about your friends.
살아있는 동물도 있네. 땅을 뚫고 들어와요. 선을 잘 지켜. 여기도 꽃이 있네.
Flower.
Hugo,
얘 꽃 진짜 좋아하는구나.
this is not really the time, you know.
Please.
All right, go ahead.
It's called Granny's bonnet. It's as if she's hanging her head because she's sad.
Perhaps she would be less lonely with us.
Yes, it's not good to be alone.
꽃 언제 떨어졌어?
All right, let's go. Hugo, you go in there.
지들이
Open the door for me
게임에
quick.
몰입을 해치고
And be
있다.
very careful, right?
Yes.
Good.
It smells funny.
It's alcohol from the stills.
Someone's there.
뭐야?
Let's go and see.
왜 안 되나 했네.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
동굴 안에 득식을 하다가 밖에 나오니 안 따라온다든지, 아, 식탁 위에 올라간다든지. 이거 뭐야? 뭐, 되게 이상하게 생겼어. 이 층으로 올라가야 되나 보다. 족발.
Who are you? Magister Laurentius.
Stop right there. He's contagious.
Hugo. Here.
The Inquisition came. We lost everything. There was nothing I could do.
Of course. They came for him. An evil,
고대 악마가?
ancient evil courses through your family's veins, in its blood. Your mother and I attempted to slow its progress, but ever since the
대역병
Great
이후에
Break, the process has
오히려
quickened.
빨라졌다고.
You must protect him, Amicia. Continue your mother's work.
Me? But how? My parents tried and now they are both dead. Leave me alone.
왜 동생한테 화를 내?
They're here.
The rats are dangerous, but disorganized. The Inquisition, however, they seek the boy tirelessly. We have to disappear. Head to the Chateau d'Ombrage. Lucas, go to the barn. You will finish.
정화야?
Don't try to talk. I will prove myself.
I'm sorry about your parents, but you're not alone anymore. We have to move fast. You can help me make the ignifer. It will protect us from the rats.
Come, Hugo. I don't want you to stay here.
마음 상했지. 동생 바꾸자. 저 친구가 똑똑해.
Come on. Oh no, they've managed to get in.
Find a way to keep them busy.
저게 왜 있었나
Good
했더니만
idea.
Ah, but they're frightened of the light.
The lantern. It's all right. Do it.
아니야? 아, 등불을 없애야 먹을 수 있으니까.
That drawing. What does it represent?
A philosophy. I would even say a whole life. The life of an alchemist.
It's very pretty.
잠깐, 여기서 하면 안 될 것 같은데?
There. Sorry. Yeah. Don't worry.
하나 더. 아이고.
That's it. Hugo, give me your hand.
No.
Very well, but stay close to me.
Are you two okay?
It's been
싫대.
a long trip.
Oh no. They've come back.
They're everywhere.
We have to reach the back of the barn. We can't leave without the ignifer. How are we going to do it?
어떻게 해야 돼?
We need meat. Dead or alive.
이걸 갖다 놓으면 되지 않을까? 안 되네? 이거 사다리? 뭐야? 동생을 던져. 휴고 쟤는 왜 안 오는 건데? 돼지가 안절부절 못하는데? 아, 얘가 그래서 여기 있었구나.
It's not a night to stay outside, hey?
얘를 데려가는 거 아니야, 저기까지? 이런. 이건 뭐야?
We can use this.
I see. Let me help you.
Are we going to feed him?
You could say that.
뭐 어떻게 하려고?
Time, Piggy. Yum yum.
설마 얘를 먹이로 주려고? 아... 투수 죽어요.
That's it.
Make sure you chew properly, or you'll get stomachache.
We have to make sure it stays.
I'll close the door. There's a ladder down the side. Come on.
Let's go.
아, 그 다음 사다리인 거구나.
Hugo, listen.
휘냥님이
You
투수
can sulk if you
죽인다.
like, but stay
동심
close.
파괴.
Come on, get up there.
으아, 인간이 미안해.
The lights.
Yes, Hugo. Look away, please.
Why?
아, 저 불을 끄려는 거잖아.
No, Amicia, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, Hugo.
It's still alive!
We have no choice, Hugo. We have to get the rats away.
It's horrible. You're just like all the others.
Hugo.
눈에서 다른 사람들하고 똑같대. 그럼 어떡해.
A pig.
돼지 불쌍하대.
Watch your step.
This is more than just a doctor's lab.
My master is also an apothecary, a great alchemist. Your name is Amicia, right? I'm Lucas. I would like to show you something, but it requires alcohol and sulfur. There must be some around here. Tell me when you found them.
All right. Alcohol and
알코올과
sulfur.
유황?
Alcohol, sulfur, that's everything. This oven, it must be what they call an
An
athanol.
alchemical blend. I'm dissolving the reagents.
Demons.
Oh,
Oh, it's just alchemy.
Lucas, why am I not alive?
스바라시님 어서
He was
오세요.
bitten by a rat. You weren't.
And is he going to die?
He...
이 게임 안 사길 잘했다고 생각한 게 방금 저 돼지. 돼지.
Looks like
뭐?
they spent quite a bit of time here.
내려온 거고. 너가 대신 뜯어 먹힐 거 아니면 그냥 모른 척 하고 가자, 동생. 돼지 때문에 마음 약해져서?
Here you go, Lucas.
Right. Now you have to mix them. Do it slowly, it's not dangerous.
All right. So, this is it.
어, 뭐야.
Oh no! No! We're stuck!
Not yet. The ignifer, Amicia. It's time. Aim for the embers at the center of the room.
비건이신가요?
Alright.
고기는 잘 드시면서. 어떻게? 아. 불씨를 겨냥. 아.
It makes fire.
Did I do that? Did I really just do alchemy?
Yes. Your mixture is perfect. Like mother, like daughter. You know what? I'll show you how to create other projectiles. It will be really useful.
I'd love to. Thank you.
I finished my mixes.
어.
We have to go back to Laurentius. Amicia, you should go ahead.
나들 앞장서라고?
Rats! Get back!
The ignifer. Throw it on the embers.
Please don't blow up in my face.
You go first.
너 먼저 가. 돼지는 어떻게 됐어? 아이도 먹히고 있어? 아이. 우와.
There's a lot of them.
아, 이게 그래서
clear
이렇게
away.
있는 거였구나.
I'll go first.
Yes, of course.
당연하대. 오늘 저녁은 삼겹살이다. 죽은 고기 많으니까.
Leave me alone.
Hugo, listen. About earlier, I just wanted to tell you that I'm...
No, Amicia!
to leave. Now.
Faster.
Hey, stop! We need you.
Look, the horse!
Time to go. Hugo, Lucas. Run! We need that horse.
They're everywhere!
Lucas! I'm here! Where does this trail lead to?
아,
Lucas! Where's this taking us? To the river!
이제 어디로 가요?
Ah, which way? Where now? There! There's a boat over there. Just past the mill. So let's go!
Amicia, the windmill is almost on fire!
뭐라고? 뭘 어디다가 던지라는 건데? 피리 부는 사나이? 아, 저거야? 아닌데? 어디다가 가라는 건데 알 수가 없다. 아, 풍차. 아니.
What? Lucas! This way!
이리로 가야 되는 거였구나. 아, 왜 이렇게 느리니? 물론은 또 못 오네. 까마귀의 전리품. 사람이 계속 한 명씩 죽어나가.
Lucas?
Yes?
What does he have in his blood?
There's an old story. It tells of the Prima Macula. The alchemist say it was the first corruption, and that it silently travels in the blood of certain families. But something happened. The Great Break. And the macula awoke. In Hugo's blood.
But what will it do to him?
The macula cares for neither good nor evil. It evolves with its host. To change things. The world. You know, your mother and Laurentius were trying to help your brother.
But they failed.
No. I think they just ran out of time. This is it.
근데 쥐때 출몰할 때는 물 위에 있으면
Hugo?
되겠네.
Wake up. Come on, we'll walk from here. It'll warm you up.
If we follow the aqueduct, we should arrive at Chateau d'Ambrage before nightfall.
What's that noise?
Nothing. It's just frogs, Hugo.
Frogs!
아유, 또
Listen,
꼬맹이.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Hey, Froggy, Froggy! There are so many!
수로를 따라 이동하십시오.
Look, they're everywhere!
Aren't you cold?
Jump,
A
jump!
little, yes.
Hugo doesn't seem to mind.
Hey, go
He's
back!
keeping himself warm.
Yes. But he's too far for my liking. Hugo, where are you going?
너무 빠른데?
Hugo!
어디 갔어? 그새 사라졌나?
Hey, look! I'm a knight!
An English shield. Where did you find that?
Over there, lying on the ground.
Listen, Hugo. Put that down. It's not for children.
Oh, you're no fun.
Come on, let's go.
Do you smell that?
Oh, it stinks.
Yes, it's horrible.
저 동생은 또 죽어라 뛰는데.
Amicia, Lucas, come quick, look!
뭐냐?
Oh my god.
Are they all dead?
We can't carry on.
뭐야, 이거 시체야?
Amicia, we have to follow the aqueduct.
전쟁터를 가로질러 가십시오.
Oh my goodness.
Amicia, do we have to walk on them?
I know, Hugo. But we don't have a choice.
으,
Do you think we are hurting them?
Just keep moving, Hugo. Come on.
우리 때문에 아픈 거 아니니? 아유, 귀여워라. 근데 길이 어디야?
It's unbearable.
I feel sick.
Don't look. Concentrate on the aqueduct.
왜 쥐때 또 나와? 불 있네.
The horse.
아,
Oh no! The rats! Keep away from them!
Amicia, they're everywhere. Hundreds of them.
I don't believe it.
이거 아니고요. 하나 더.
Now! Run!
살려.
There are people over there.
Those aren't soldiers.
We have to get out of here.
What were they doing?
Those were looters looking for things to steal.
But why?
To survive, probably. Like us.
이건 뭐야?
Could you lend a hand?
All right.
아, 연타하라고.
We can't hold it back for long.
Hugo! It's all right now. Go!
Yes, yes.
Be careful.
뭐야?
Can you do it? Think you can do this?
I can't do it, Amicia.
아니 이거 어떻게 하라고? 어머. 땡기기 전에 이거 불을 붙여야 되는 거구나.
Could you help me with this?
Very well.
Can you take care of it?
All right.
저 쥐들이 한 마리씩 왔다 갔다 하는데?
I did it. I made it.
Good. Now come back.
There you go.
Ow. My arms. They're paralyzed. Well done, you two.
저기까지만 가면 되는 거지?
Hey, what's that? Who's over there?
Into the grass quickly. He mustn't see us.
Amicia, his lantern.
What
I-
did I just say?
I understand.
Keith
Coming.
said ya.
어떡해? 아, 쟤를 죽여야 되는구나.
Hey, what's that? Who's over there?
Into the grass quickly. He mustn't see us.
Amicia,
Hey?
his lantern.
Probably
I-
flies.
I understand.
We French.
Oh Lord. It's horrible.
But
지금?
it worked. There are too many rats. We're stuck.
Into the tower. I can see light.
왜 안 붙어? 이거네. 아씨.
Them looting bastards.
아유. 쟤들이 먹을 때 갈라 그랬더니. 모자란 게 많은데? 못 올라가?
Oh no, soldiers.
어디?
We need to push.
Let me help.
Mind you don't. We're making too much noise. They're going to spot us.
이거 손 어떻게 따?
Who sent ya? Come say hello.
너무 뒤로 갔구나. 쟤를 항아리로 먼저 부른 다음에 하는 건가 봐요.
Oh no, soldiers.
You ain't getting out of here alive.
We need to push.
Let me help.
But mind you don't get burnt.
가자. 근데 가는 데까지 계속 끌고 다니기에는 얘네들 체력이
The wheels are stuck in the
안
mud.
되겠지?
We have to leave it here. Come on.
What the hell are you doing? Hold him still. Oh, this is proper horrible. Come on, I just want his teeth. Yeah, but still. What? Rats are gonna eat him anyway. Yeah, suppose you're right.
We need to pass below the aqueduct, monsieur. But the rats are everywhere. Shh. We'll find a way.
Yeah, shit, it won't
Over there,
work.
a torch.
I might have a chance if I go alone.
Unbelievable. Why don't you try a different one? They're all over the place.
I can't fucking stand these rodents. You've got nothing better to do than muck around with a corpse.
이게 아니야? 어떻게 해야 되는 거지?
Must have been nothing.
아, 어머,
Really close. Over here! Now! They're here!
Amicia! Amicia!
저거 아닌 것 같은데?